So today I want us to look at some of the benefits of skin-to-skin contact when it comes to breast milk production. So how does skin-to-skin contact help to boost breast milk production? So if you're a mom and you're looking for a way to instantly help to boost that milk supply in the next 24 hours, this video is for you. So without further ado, let us just get started. So hi darlings, hi beautiful mamas. So today I want to share something truly amazing with you, and as I've introduced, we are gonna talk about how something as simple as skin to skin contact can actually help increase your breast milk supply. It is a natural, beautiful way to support breastfeeding, and it is all about the power of bonding with your baby. So let us just dive in. We see how this actually works. So first off, what exactly is skin to skin contact? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It is spending time holding your baby against your bare chest, with their body in direct contact with your skin, and this is normally done right after birth or in those like really early weeks. But skin to skin can also be practiced at any time, whether your baby is a newborn or a few months old. So I know some of you are gonna come there on my comment section and tell me, I don't have a newborn, but I just want to increase breast milk supply. Can this method actually work? Yes, it can. So, how does this method work to boost breast milk? So, all right, so let us talk about how this simple practice actually helps your breast milk supply. So, skin to skin contact boosts two main hormones in your body, that is oxytocin and prolactin. And these are both incredibly important for breastfeeding. So for oxytocin, it is sometimes called the love hormone because it is released when we experience, that bonding moments like holding or cuddling our babies. It is also responsible for the let down reflex, which is when your milk begins to flow. So the more oxytocin your body produces, the easier it becomes to trigger that milk let down and encourage milk flow. And then there's the prolactin hormone, and this hormone is the one that tells your body to make milk in the first place. So when you do skin to skin, prolactin levels actually increase, and this helps to boost your breast milk supply. So comment I understand in the comment section if you're really getting what we are doing here. We are talking about these two amazing hormones that are actually triggered when we do skin to skin contact. So I hope you're still enjoying this video, and I just wanted to let you know that we do have breastfeeding or lactation consultation service. So if you really need that personalized help, click on the link in the video description and you're gonna get the help that you need instantly. So by simply holding your baby close, that is skin to skin, you're actually encouraging these natural hormonal responses that directly support breastfeeding. This is what we are talking about generally. And then let us just go through quickly the benefits beyond milk production. And this is to let you know that, yes, good news, there's more benefits beyond breast milk production. So skin to skin contact isn't just amazing for breast milk production, it has other benefits too. For example, so studies show that babies who experience frequent skin-to-skin contact are generally more stable in terms of, their heart rate, their breathing, and even their body temperature. They also tend to feed more frequently and for longer stretches, which actually helps your milk supply to stay strong and through that consistent demand. I hope you are getting this. And let us not also forget the emotional side, because skin to skin is a powerful bonding experience because it calms both you and your baby. It also reduces stress and creates a sense of security that is so beneficial for both of you. And as a mom, when you feel relaxed and bonded, it actually supports the whole breastfeeding. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to just smash that subscribe button so that you don't have to miss any of our next new uploads process. And here are some tips for practicing skin to skin contact. So I hope today I'm talking a little bit faster for those of you who tell me, yo lady, can you just go straight to the point? So yeah, so today I'm just going straight to the point so that I don't have to waste any of your lovely time. So some tips for practicing skin to skin contact. So here are just a few simple tips. Tip number one is start right after birth if possible, and actually help to kickstart your milk production. So just start it right after birth if possible. And tip number two, set aside daily skin to skin time, and you can actually maybe just set aside maybe 15 to 20 minutes a few times a day, and this can actually may help to make a big difference. And then tip number three, ensure that you make it a cozy experience. So always find a quiet spot, and you can lay back comfortably and place your baby on your chest. Make sure that you keep warm and relax into it. This experience should feel soothing for both of you. And also remember to ensure that you are definitely taking in more water before you breastfeed. Make sure you take a glass of water, and after you breastfeed also take some more waters, because hydrating adequately also helps to boost your breast milk supply. So can you do upping your water intake and the skin to skin contact, and you're gonna see a dramatical increase in breast milk supply in the next 24 hours. So if this video has helped you, or if this video has helped you learn a thing or two, I want you to just hit that subscribe button so that you don't have to miss any of our next uploads. And don't leave before clicking on this video right here.